Everything we've covered so far, how LLMs predict text, why they hallucinate, how context windows work, it all comes together in one practical question: how do you actually write a good prompt? In this video, we'll start with a real demo that shows exactly how a naturally phrased question can go wrong. Then we'll give you 5 concrete techniques you can use starting today. Here's the scenario. Someone asked ChatGPT this question. There's a place 50 meters from my house. I want to go there to wash my car. Should I walk or drive? ChatGPT's response analyzed the benefits of walking: the short distance, no parking hassle, good exercise. And then it concluded, walk over there, then drive your car into the wash. Wait. Walk over, and then drive your car. If you walked over, where's the car? The AI read 50 meters and immediately pattern matched to walking distance. It locked in on that and built the entire response around it, completely missing the fundamental premise that you need a car present to wash a car. This is pattern matching winning over logic. Now here's the interesting part: the fix is almost trivially simple. Just put the most important information first. I want to wash my car. The car wash is 50 meters away. Should I walk or drive? Same information. Different order. Most models handle this version correctly. This isn't a hypothetical we made up. In early 2026, this exact question went viral and was covered by Newsweek and dozens of other outlets. Researchers formally tested 53 leading AI models, only 5 answered correctly every single time. Newer models do tend to handle this better. But as of today, it remains a documented, real-world limitation. This demo illustrates a key principle: AI pays the most attention to what comes first. Important context, constraints, and goals belong at the start of your prompt, not buried at the end. Now let's go through the 5 techniques. Technique 1, give a role. You are an HR manager with 20 years of experience. Please review this letter. Adding a role does 2 things: it tells the AI what framework to use, and it adjusts the level of expertise and detail in the response. The same question with a role gets a more focused, expert-calibrated answer. Technique 2, give an example, what's called few-shot prompting. Instead of explaining the format you want in words, just show it. Write a response like this: paste your example here. This works extremely well because LLMs learn from examples. Seeing a pattern is more effective for them than reading a rule description. If you want output in a specific structure, the fastest way to get it is to show one. Technique 3, ask for reasoning. Add think step by step or list your reasoning before giving a conclusion to the end of your prompt. This single change can significantly improve accuracy on complex problems. Why? Because generating the reasoning process gives the model a chance to catch its own errors. It's the difference between asking someone to just blurt out an answer versus asking them to show their work. Technique 4, specify the format. Answer only in a table. Reply with yes or no only, no explanation. Give me a bullet list with no more than 5 items. AI follows format instructions very reliably. If you know what form you want the output in, just say it. Don't leave the format to chance. Technique 5, put important information first. This is the lesson from the car wash demo. Whatever constraint, goal, or premise is most critical, that goes at the very beginning of your prompt. AI reads the whole prompt before responding, but it gives the most weight to what appears first. If something matters, don't bury it. These 5 techniques don't require any technical knowledge. They're adjustments to how you communicate, and they make a significant difference in the quality of what you get back. One more thing, these aren't rules you follow one at a time. The best prompts often combine several of them. Role, example, reasoning, format, important first, use whatever combination the situation calls for. In the final video of this series, we'll wrap up with 3 principles for using AI responsibly, and answer the question everyone has been asking: which AI tools can I actually use, and for what? See you there.